Ooh. She said, what do you prefer, blonde or brunettes?
No, I don't really discriminate. Like I've been attracted to both brunettes and blondes, so I'm redheads actually. I've liked brown-haired girls in the past, and I've liked blonde-haired and sandy and red and brown, everything. And there was a bit of pink. So yeah. Right there in the hat, blue hat. Pardon?
Do you like blue eyes?
Yes. I've liked multiple different eye colors. Brown, blue, green, hazel. Sometimes contact lenses. Cat contacts.
Black eyes.
I met a girl at a Halloween party once and she had cat eyes. I liked her. Do you want to pick a question?
Girl. You right there.